Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Merchant Center for affiliate product feeds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Merchant Center for affiliate product feeds, begin by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. If you do not have an account, create one by once logged in, navigate to the Products section in the left sidebar. Click on Feeds within the Products menu. To create a new feed, click the plus icon or Add Feed button. Choose the country of sale from the drop-down menu. Select the primary language for your product feed. For feed type, select Affiliate Product Feed. Enter a name for your feed that reflects its content. Choose the destination for your products, which should be Google Shopping. Click Continue to move to the next step. You will be prompted to select a method of input for your feed. You can choose either Scheduled Fetch, Upload, or Content API. If you select Scheduled Fetch, enter the frequency at which Google should retrieve your feed. Next, input the URL where your feed is located or will be hosted. For upload, prepare your feed file in the required format, such as CSV, XML, or TXT. Lastly, if using Content API, follow Google's documentation for implementation. After selecting your input method, click Continue. Now, configure additional feed settings as required. Make sure to select your tax and shipping settings appropriately. Review the feed rules to ensure your products comply with Google's requirements. Once everything is set up, click Create Feed to finalize the process. Your feed will now be listed under the Feeds section in Google Merchant Center. Monitor the feed processing status to address any issues that may arise. When the processing is complete, check for any errors or warnings. Ensure your product data meets all of Google's policies to avoid disapprovals. Once everything is in order, your affiliate products should start appearing in Google Shopping. Review performance reports regularly to optimize your feed and product listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.